I see some things over there. Like little bass might be hiding up in there as well. That's not where they are. Yeah, oh, I see. That actually is a little bass up there. It's back in the woods, so I can't get to that. Oh, hey. That was kind of a nice bassy bite. Unless they just don't have any room to take it anywhere. What are you doing, man? I can see many down in there. I don't know why they're not biting. It's worm, you know. It's what plants crave. Alright, I did not bring an extra battery down with me, of course, because I'm an idiot. So I'm going to turn this off until something cool happens. Alright, there's a bluegill pulled out of the shallow water. Nice looking. Really nicely colored up sunfish here. I'm about to start throwing a lure for bass though. And then try to, I guess that's a bit of a walk for me to get down to the shoals where I can target them and shiners. A lot of wading, just not really wading, but just, you know, up against the shore to get here. It's the only spot. A lot of very misleading information about this particular river, or at least the spot on it. Anybody says there's great wading opportunities on foot. Oh man, liars, absolute liars, man. Well. A little wading, got a largemouth. Not the bass I came for, but there's that. Nice. Alright, I'm trying to see if any shiners follow the lure in here too. Nothing's following it, shiner-wise. Oh, might have been a bass right there. Oh, that would have been perfect. That would have been 9-inch Georgia Bass Slam qualifier there for smallmouth. He's got a small mouth. He's got some markings on the back, so it's probably a hybrid. Oh, that was a little But it's got the largemouth stripe by the tail. Oh, here they come, here they come, here they come. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Those are very brown looking. If I can't tempt them with the lure here, I'm... Oh, get it, get it, get it! I'm going to go back and get my bait. Because I can fish this spot here. I can fish this spot hard. Doggone it. Those are definitely... Oh, right there. Right there is a bass. These are all in the 8, 9, 10-inch range. Oh, another pop, another pop. Get him, get it. He's just following it. He's trailing it. Hit it, man, hit it. There we go. Oh! I can't wait till the last minute like that, man. So the problem is the absolute, what do you call it? That I know is a smallmouth is like 2 feet in front of me. Around this corner here. Oh, there's a, no, it's a little pumice. And there's not enough room, you know, to pull the, I don't have enough, strike zone is very short. He came after it, wasn't enough time, space, or whatever. Alright, I'm gonna go get my bait, because this looks really good. The thing is, so little room to wade up in this piece here. Yeah, it's nonsensical to cast into the current here. I'll lose my stuff. Doggone it. I'll pull this out of the way. Oh, look at that sucker. That's close to PB. Redbreast. That's beautiful. I'm in such a precarious spot for taking pictures. I just want to, clear some Lepomus out of my way, and then get to the bass. That's my plan. Tried to get this little bluegill that's right around the corner here. My God, GoPro sucks. All right, I'm just gonna have to turn it on and leave it on. Another little redbreast. Just trying to clear out the Lepomus. No pictures, unless they're really big and nice like the last one that hopefully GoPro caught. So I'm not wasting any crawlers on them. I'm just starting from camera on position. Wow, there's a lot of them back in there. A lot of runners, man. Means redbreast. Maybe a pumpkin seed will come out of there. I don't know, probably not. All right, that's 2 knot on the reel. You can see my concern. I need to have, if I'm going to my Bartram spot, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. I need to save a crawler or 2 for that. I don't want my crawlers to be used up with Lepomus. I never want them to be used up with Lepomus. Well, that's a pretty one. A little different from the other ones. The other ones seem to look like a redbreast pumpkin seed hybrid, which is possible, given that this is the spot in Georgia where pumpkin seeds can be. Oh man. Imagine being a minority oh wow, just pop it right away. There, up against that wall. Being a minority species. Oh, come on, man. Why are you missing everything? I mean everything. I mean, they're not exactly timid bites either. They're yanking the bobber straight under. There we go. They're not exactly big fish, however. That's the thing. It's spot. Oh, that's a nice purple spot. I'm going to have to take a picture of that one. At least I'm getting down to the small ones. Oh man, another pumpkin seedy looking redbreast. Oh. Since I can clear these out, I doubt I'm going to clear them all out, but that's a little better one. Yeah, it's nice. Nice looking one. Hate not to picture these, but camera is not worth losing. Well, at least he came up though. Oh, really small. A little purple spotted. Yeah, okay. That's annoying. Alright, one more, man. That's another blah, 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 blah. Another redbreast. Alright, I'll get one more of these. Here I am looking for Bartram's bass. I've only got about a half an hour though. I had a lot of, I lost an hour basically. Lost about an hour. Comedy of errors. And I miscalculated the drive back home from here by about 40 minutes. Oh man, come on. Got it too deep. Come on, the water is so up right now. Too deep, I guess. If it's too deep, it's too deep. And then it's too deep. Alright, against all the odds, I'm going to try to find one with a lure. I put them here with the lure twice and both of them got off. I've never been here where the water was clear. This is so clear. This is perfect water, perfect conditions. I just have to find where they are. Get it on land, get it on land! Bartram's bass, Bartram's bass! Oh, it's not. Oh my gosh, it's a big chub. Are you kidding me? Oh, give me a break. Really? Another Savannah River drainage chub. Oh, brother.